You might be wondering, why do I need to care about another stress management course? Well, this is a revolution for your nervous system. Kia ora, I'm Crystal Mischief, and I'm thrilled that you're intrigued about this frazzled to fabulous journey. Let me share more. In today's world, stress isn't just an inconvenience. It's a silent saboteur of your brilliance. Did you know that chronic stress can reduce your decision-making ability by a staggering 50%? That's right, stress isn't just making you feel frazzled, it's the reason that people make it seemed like a good idea at the time, decisions. But here's the exciting part. With the right tools, sequenced in a specific way, you can actually flip the switch on your nervous system and reclaim that inner radiance, and that's where Frazzled to Fabulous comes in. This course isn't about managing stress, it's about revolutionising your relationship with it. Through the proprietary technique of the hamburger method, you'll learn science-backed techniques that will help you to turn down your body's alarm systems in seconds. You'll be able to boost your adaptability and resilience. You'll enhance your focus, and your decision-making skills will be lifted. And most importantly, you'll rediscover the confidence that stress has been stealing from you. So imagine waking up every day feeling centered and confident and ready to take on the world. And imagine having the tools to stay cool, calm and collected even when you drop your keys down the stormwater drain, you've got 2 dogs in the car, and you're stranded. That's the difference that Frazzled to Fabulous can make in your life. So, are you ready to transform from stressed out to sparkling? Are you ready to become the most expansive and captivating version of yourself? Let's dive in, treasure. Your journey to fabulousness starts now.